off the plane and we're already at a racetrack. This will never get old. I have no idea what time it is right now, but we are obviously in the USA. I think back home it's like 5 a.m. in the morning, so I'm definitely feeling a little special, but we're in the US, which means Duncan. I've already kind of partaked, but we had like an hour drive from JFK here. We are at Old English Town track, and I'm excited. We're here for the LZ tour. This feels so weird to now, like I just drove with all the homies and all the friends in Japan, and it's been like a week or so, and now we're here in the US and I'm about to drive with all my homies again. Like, it just feels sick. We're gonna get out of the car and catch up with everyone, but most importantly, I need to show you the car that I'm gonna be using and driving for the LZ tour, and it's something that I have never experienced before, so I'm really excited. Most importantly though, first, it's Boston cream time, lads. Oof. This is why I really came to the US, just for this. Before we jump into today's video, we've got a new merch drop that is now live, and we've got 2 new shirts. We got the Scrape or Die and the Bogan 32. We went for massive back designs this time. Usually we try to do some on the front, but I've been really enjoying how these turned out, so we're kind of rocking with this. And look at this, guys, Scrape or Die. We got the crown there, the Japanese Mafia Yakuza car. Thing looks sick, one of my favorite designs right there. And then the Bogan 32, check this out. The graphic and the detail is insane. You got the Bogan 32 skyline there, the RB20E, the random piping, the flames, and how that works in with the Bogan 32. And then we got a Bogan version of me here. You got my son's name, Hugo there, the Southern Cross. Got a bunch of little, these are supposed to be VB ones, but we're worried about copyright things, so we made it look like little S's and stuff there, so it wouldn't get us in trouble. But yeah, and the SAMMIT plate, the same one that I had on my Skyline in Australia. You see the kangaroo sign there, a couple, old carton of some cans in there and stuff. But yeah, overall the detail on this is super cool. I love it. We got Yankee here, which is Japanese for Bogan and Redneck. Super sick. So go to sammit.net right now before these sell out. This time round, we couldn't actually get the usual quantity that we do, and that's purely just because of the state that the economy is in right now. So make sure you grab one while you still can. There's only limited stock, and let's get on with today's video. How you doing, Max?
I'm amazing. How are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too, man.
So none of this would be possible without Max. And at this track, they've got some pretty crazy rules. You need a full weld-in cage and a bunch of stuff like that to meet tech requirements. And I don't have anything like that over here, but you do.
Yeah, I'm all ready for English Town, man. You're even supposed to have containment seats, but they don't have that rule for this event. But usually it's containment seats too. So this thing.
What's a containment seat?
With the little ears that go around.
Oh, okay, yeah, we call that a halo.
Terrible. Yeah, I mean, halo, containment, whatever. But yeah, with the rules here, it's pretty crazy. Actually, it's not fun because Yeah, once you put a cage in a car, it kind of ruins the car.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. But yeah, so we're gonna be ripping. Is this a C6 Corvette? That shows you how much I know about these things.
Yeah, this is a C6. So
C6?
This is the good one. This is a TR6060 trans, so the trans doesn't feel like garbage. And
okay, cool.
It's got an LS3. It makes like 500 horsepower.
Let's go.
And it has your favorite front end in it.
Does it?
Yeah.
What's that?
Weissfab.
Weissfab. Oh yeah. That's okay. Yeah. All right. I'm like running. I'm scared what to say. Uh-oh. There you go. Oh yeah. PBM. Looks like a sway bar setup too with coilovers.
Good sway bar setup and
nice.
PBM coilovers.
Let's go. Yeah, all right. Well, thank you very much. We're gonna do a couple test laps and try and get comfortable in this thing right off the gate. I'm feeling a little tired because it's like 6 o'clock in the morning back home now, but let's do it. Can we even drive today? Are we allowed to? Like,
I schmoozed a few people over. You know what I mean? I lubed the deal. I think you're ready.
All right. Let's jump in this thing. All right. Is there anything I need to know? Is there like an ejector?
Don't knock over the dog.
Don't knock over the dog. Okay. Oh, okay. It's an electric button there.
It's a push button start.
Push button start in a drift car. I like that.
You're gonna be tight in that thing. You're tall, right?
Wait, does this not adjust?
Nope.
No!
Sorry. The seat's as far back as it'll go.
No! It's okay. We'll live with it.
Deal with it.
We're gonna deal with it. Oh yeah, this is gonna be an issue.
Nah,
that's okay. We'll fix it with some bolts. There's a big speaker. Let's go, baby.
Yeah, I have that thing as far back as it can go.
That's literally as far back as it goes?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll make it work.
Because it's tight for me.
Yeah, clutch in and I guess this button. Yeah. America! go, baby. I'll follow you. Hi, Grant.
Long time no see.
It has been a while.
I was telling everyone else.
Hey, buddy.
I've seen you sooner than I've seen all my local friends.
That's
I saw
wild.
you a week ago.
It does feel weird because like we were just in Japan driving Japanese cars together, and now we're over here driving American cars.
We'll see how bad we do.
Yeah.
Did you show them what you're driving yet?
Yeah, they know. They know. I'm definitely cramped in there. We'll figure out seat stuff in a bit. I don't know, but everyone's...
Take the T-top off.
Take my shoes off?
Shoes off.
Shoes off.
Pads out.
Barefoot.
Dude. Take the roof off.
You've still got a
T-top.
I'm sure you still
got
a Aussie left in there, mate. Take your shoes off.
Yeah.
You're not full Japanese yet.
Ooh. Love it. I'm gonna do a few test laps in the Corvette, see if I can get comfortable. Gonna give the camera to Grant. He's gonna get some shots for me.
We got me and the stray of me.
Full commentary coming.
Oh, yeah.
No pressure. No pressure. Oh, his shoes are coming off.
Oh, they are coming off.
He knows.
It's time to get real.
Socks too? That's like a millimeter. Yeah. There you go.
I don't know if we should be filming this. Is this legal?
Dude, I've literally been at...
Oh, you got the slow zoom on, Sam? I'll change that for you. I'll show you.
Oh, big.
Oh,
I think sounds good, Max.
I think that's great. I like watching my own cars drive, you know what I mean? I got a lot of anxiety when I'm driving. Watching other people drive, I don't get that much anxiety.
That's when I get all my anxiety, is watching other people drive my car.
Same.
Really? Because that's when my car gets wrecked. You know?
SAMMIT.
Don't do it's a turbo thing, it's a V8, leave it in third.
Well, I think they have those, that has those weird limiters too, doesn't it?
He down geared into that.
Oh, did he?
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah,
Ran
they
out
have
of
torque.
V8 things, just whoosh.
There you go. Gotta love V8 torque.
V8 torque. It's all there, right?
It's all there.
But you can tell the way he's letting it labor, like waiting for that turbo to come in, and it just didn't.
And then he gave it gas and it took off.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Look good, Sam.
Huh?
Look good.
It feels alright.
Yeah.
I just keep smacking my elbows on the center console.
You just get used to that.
Yeah.
I just get you a pink mullet, you're good to go.
This is really tight here. I didn't realize Corvettes were so tight.
First couple laps felt really, really good. I'm definitely like smacking my elbows on a bunch of stuff. It's very tight in there. It reminds me of like a Miata or an FD. It's crazy how tight it is inside of the Corvette with the door card so close to you, as well as the center console. It doesn't help as well that I'm just a really tall guy, and I'll show you. But like I'm sitting really low in the seat to get as far back as I can. I took all the cushions out. My elbow smacks up against this, and then here. But yeah, we're gonna go back out there. We got some fresh tires. We just had some scrubs on before that were already kind of destroyed. So we'll go out with some fresh rubber and see how it feels like now. stoked on this car. It absolutely shreds. I'm still getting used to like doing micro movements and stuff. I'm also wondering if I take the quick release out, if that'll help bringing the wheel a little bit further forward, but I don't want it to interfere with the hydro. But we just destroyed another set of tires. The torque in this thing is insane. I love LS's. I think I need one. So the Corvette's great. I think we're gonna be able to do really, really well this weekend with it. It's fast. I love how easy it feels to flick to angle. I'm gonna try before the comp tomorrow to take out the center console and the door card just so I have a bit more room for my elbows, because it's really, really hard for me to like flick the wheel and do really anything. I had no idea how tight these were. It's actually tighter than an FD and a Miata for sure, definitely. But yeah, I think we're gonna do really, really well. I still can't get over how good the LS feels, the torque, and just how responsive it is. It's like my comp car on anti-lag. It's great. But yeah, I'm hyped. Massive thank you to Max for helping us out. I think he's got a YouTube channel and an Instagram, so that's there. But the rest of today, let's go hang out with some friends and have a good time. Oh, and by the way, this is my rental, Volkswagen Atlas. Let's go. Jimmy's crew just rocked up, and the coupe with the neon wheels looking baller. Whew. Got the E36. How you doing, boys?
Like that?
How you doing? I love that. I like this thing. That's clean. That's goals for my my coupe. He's busy talking to the James. But Adam's Super is here. Can't wait to hear this thing on full song. I think they're unloading his 15, and then Mona Lisa in there. You know, I'm not gonna lie, right? I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. I'll happily be the first person to say that Adam's 15 looks way sicker than mine. The old, like, original livery is just so good. I love, like, the kind of dark water vibes that this thing gives. It just flows so well. I can't wait to see this thing driving. Hopefully we can get a passenger lap. But yeah, everyone's rolling in. Jimmy.
SAMMIT?
So weird. I know I've said this before already on the vlog, but it is so weird to be, like, hanging out with you guys in Japan and doing Japanese, like, car things, and now we're over here doing American car things. Oh, hey, it's LZ.
What do you want to say?
This is a nice Nissan.
You just get here?
Yeah.
You're literally just pulling up?
Yeah.
Love that.
Love
I've
that.
been to the city for a little bit and just
Give me a
coffee.
sip. Whose refresher is that? That's screwing my name.
That's
Oh,
Oh, fair enough.
your rear spats are there in the rear of the table, and your HKS G-Shock.
Oh, you brought them for me?
Yeah,
Thank you.
they fit it in my suitcase, no
How
problem.
kind.
No problem.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Your JDM parts delivery service.
No, that's a thing.
It's a thing. It's a thing. If you know, you know.
I guess I don't.
Sometimes they shorten it so much they don't even say, they don't even say gozaimasu.
They just go, they're shorten it. Just like this thing looks beautiful.
Yeah,
It's crazy that there's literally like a 4-rotor, which is one of the biggest rotaries ever made, and there's still so much room for activities. Look at all that space there. But damn, man, all the fabrication looks so good. Kudos to Johan. Sheesh, that thing sounds wild. So we are currently doing a bit of a track walk here. This is my first time here. What's the name of like this particular course here? Just the FD layout? Yeah.
Stadium, I guess. Right?
The stadium?
Stadium, yeah.
So this used to be a drag strip, and it's just turned into like this really sick drifting kind of figure 8 course. And it looks awesome because like all the crowd's just right here in the mix of it. It's great. It gives me like old Daiba, like D1 GP vibes, because that's how they'd set that track up with like a stadium kind of vibe right around it. But these walls are definitely very close to the action. You can see where these zones are and stuff. For you to enter there, you need to be really close to these walls. It looks great. Through here, transition there against that wall, along there, come out here, and then into this wall here on this side, and done.
Well, the big problem is the second zone is the whole thing.
The whole thing.
You want to be on the outside, and then it's a short inside zone there. So you want to be out the whole entire back wall, and then clip here, and then you kick back into the tiny.
Yeah.
You can see how wide this is and how short that is.
Yeah. I imagine everything's pretty well like second gear, but depends on your
Third?
gearing.
I don't
Second,
know.
third, really?
Usually, yeah.
Interesting. All right.
So I was
feel it out.
Yeah, you could drop second here. Like last time Adam did something, we would drop second here,
Jeez.
and it would wheel you right through. But you would have
Wow.
to enter in third. If you don't come in that third, it's like dangerous.
Yeah, and this is definitely the slippery. Oh yeah.
Oh, this is gripped up.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah. The surface change is definitely going to make things interesting.
This is usually where all the bad stuff happens because you're coming in so fast, and then when you switch here, some people go directly
Like over there, yeah.
straight into the wall.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is gonna be interesting.
The zone's the whole thing. They already have it painted.
Oh my gosh. The zone is literally the whole way around.
The front clip there.
Oh my gosh.
Switchback. It's not that bad.
No, that's not bad at all.
No.
This is great. This is great. This is totally great.
So this track's not bad until you hit a wall. Yeah.
And then once you hit the wall, it's bad. It's real bad.
I love that.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh,
This is where
so there is I told him there is a track hazard. See Max? He's
Yeah.
trying to touch a bird right now.
There's a bird?
There's a bird.
Like a nest?
Yeah, yeah. She's sitting on her nest on the ground right over there.
Okay. Gosh, that is so cool.
Sounds so good.
Here's someone we haven't seen on the channel before. How you doing, buddy? My friend from Texas. We're high-fiving? I was waving, but that's fine. How you been? Your car looks sick. Nice pink little one Via.
Pink gang.
Pink gang.
Yes, sir.
Love that. I thought you said something else for a second.
No.
All right. Okay. All right. Well, Evan's here. You gonna do well, you reckon?
I hope so. You know, I'll try my best.
What are you running under the hood? SR?
It's a bone stock blacktop setup. So
How long have you had it?
8 months.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, that's a good way to keep SRs like happy is just keep them stocked.
Bone stock, dude.
Good job. I'm sure you'll shred. It looks
I'm gonna
good.
try my best, man.
Let's do it. We're all trying to have a nice conversation here.
So rude. So rude.
So rude.
So rude.
It's time for dinner. I do not know how I'm still alive right now. It's like 10 a.m. back home. We're rolling in here getting some food, and then I'm going to the hotel and I'm passing out. Let's see what the room's like. Yo, what? Nice. Man, I get so used to Japanese hotel rooms that when I see something big, I'm like, damn. But, damn. This is nice. I completely crashed. I think the last clip you saw was me checking out the hotel room and then I just passed out. It's about 4:30 in the morning, nearly 5. And a jet lag is just kicking my ass. I am a mess, but in a few hours I need to head to the track for when the gates open for the first day of the LZ tour. I'm going into it really confident. The Corvette felt really, really good. Other than just being like really crammed in there and my knees in the dash and like not being able to move my elbows and like having to like flick the wheel with like my wrists and stuff like that. I still think we're gonna do really, really well. And I'm going into it with a lot of confidence. So hopefully, really hoping for good results. But you know, now that I've said that, who knows what's gonna happen. We seem to have a track record whenever it comes to driving cars over here. And I really need to just get my S13 sorted out. But that's a whole nother thing that we'll make content on it eventually and we'll sort it all out. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you go check out the merch drop. It's live now, so go get yourself a new Scrape or Die or Bogan 32 shirt. Support the channel, support everything that we're doing. It means the world to us, and I will see you all in the next one, shredding some V8 muscle. Peace, guys.